What's going on, everybody? Today, we're gonna see what happens when you install a turbo backwards. So let me explain what I mean by that. So on a regular turbo, your exhaust comes through here, which compresses air through here and blows into your engine through here. What we're gonna do today is blow exhaust gas in through the intake, in through right here, and try and spin this compressor backwards and see if we generate boost out of the exhaust side. So today's video is sponsored by Koenig Wheels and K-Sport Suspension. Be sure to click the link in the description and follow them on social media. So the first thing we're gonna do here is get this stock manifold off so we could kind of hack up a turbo manifold. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is very simple. We've done this in the past. A bunch of other people have done it as well. I'm basically just gonna take this here and loop it back up to the top so we have a top mount turbo setup. See the general idea here? Got this kind of mocked up here. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit, see if we can get this to clear. Oh yeah, we'll be good. That comes out in a pretty good spot. So the turbo will sit, where is it? So this will sit literally like that. And then technically speaking, your air filter goes here.
Is it really?
Yeah, like a pod filter would go here. Like on paper, if that's how that spins like that.
We should put an air filter on that.
Oh, we will. We'll see. We'll see. We'll get there. We'll get there. For some reason, Chow really wanted to weld these.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm a professional.
So we picked up this extra rice Harbor Freight mask just for Chow, because he's the professional ricer here. And he's gonna weld these up for him. I love how you didn't put the ground on and you immediately tried to start welding. All right. Chow, make us proud here. This video's for science.
Pretty fast.
Terrible.
It's running pretty fast, huh?
It's not too bad for you not actually being a welder.
Whoa.
So now that we got our little U-turn welded up down there, we're gonna go ahead and weld this pipe here to the little U-turn, and then this is where the turbo will go. This got so much heavier. Look at this. Look at this patchwork I had to do here. There was a little gap. Look at that, dude. Boom.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I did that.
Good.
But let's show off yours.
Whoa, 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 dude. Whoa. Whoa, okay.
We'll bolt that back on, and then we can finally start test fitting the turbo and stuff. Should we start it?
Oh yeah, we should start it.
I'll start it right now. That's not even loud. So quiet idling though. We should probably cut this down. So the exhaust here to the intake side of this turbo is like very, very close fit, but I'm just gonna Dremel the inside of the turbo out a little bit, and then it will slide way easier onto the exhaust here. The compressor is meant to obviously spin one way, and the turbine is meant to spin one way. So if we blow, I mean, it's gonna spin from the gas for sure, but will that translate into boost coming out this end? So we got the turbo secured to the exhaust here. I ran a bolt straight through it, and then we sealed it up with some JB weld. Now I'm going to be converting this rectangular outlet here to a round one so that we can plumb this into the intake. All right, there it is. Got this all quick steeled up. Should be sealed. Sealed. There it is. Now we get this to here with PVC and Gorilla Tape. We got Brandon Schmidt out here. He's about to help us finish this up today. We gotta go plumb this intake, dude. You see what's going on though, right?
I see what's going on.
Wait, hold on. Should we start it and see if air comes out of here?
Should we?
I think we should.
We're making air! We're making air! Dude, air is definitely coming out of this. We're gonna make boost out of the back here. We're definitely gonna make boost. I mean, it kinda works.
Shifting a T56. Third gear might last 6 months.
Right-hand drive.
Yeah, it's a real silver.
I mean, look at it says 1.5 on it right there.
Looks like me in the morning.
I'm thinking this end goes on turbo, comes straight off. Or no, other way around.
Yeah.
Regular end on turbo. Or we might need a 45 to stick on
Yeah,
the
I think
end
it's gonna need a
of
45
onto
because
that.
otherwise it's gonna be way too like.
Yes, it does.
This is Charlotte's pipe.
It definitely says Charlotte's pipe on there. Dude, Chow's giving Charlotte some pipe.
Charlotte's good.
Who's Charlotte?
Everyone's a dick.
He's like, who's Charlotte?
Who's Charlotte?
Your Tinder date last night, dude. You don't remember? Oh, she drugged you. Cardi B.
It was Cardi B.
I haven't seen this guy in a while.
Yeah, you remember that? Good times with that, dude.
missed-
Shout out to the Maybach, dude.
Dude.
Didn't even care. Didn't even care.
All right, one pipe.
All right, let me get our couplers.
What in tarnation are we doing?
Nothing. This is regular around here.
All right,
Moving on.
Moving on. Wonderful.
All right, we need
Well,
to get
that's
we need to get a bend on there.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What?
Not for pressure.
Oh no, dude.
Oh,
our
no.
Boost pressure.
What are we gonna do?
Last time we did this, we made a whopping 3 psi. It's already. Dude, I gotta get our WD-40, aka our oil supply. If you don't look too hard, it's a pretty solid car, dude. For all the Honda fans out there that are gonna complain that we're ruining this motor,
All three of you.
finesse it though. Don't blast it everywhere. Intercooler piping. Oh, we can't see Charlotte's pipe anymore. Done did. Looks good. We're gonna put an air filter on it. We only want to be putting clean air into our Civic here, so it's pretty simple. We're gonna need an aluminum piece to go in there. Oh, with the clamp and everything.
It's JDM points, bro. Come on, they don't know.
It does say JDM on it. Only the best for our Civic.
They're the best. But my Civic has to say JDM everywhere possible.
Look, we don't have a shocker sticker, and oh wait, no, Chow sticker bombed the back window in the last video, so we're good. We did it.
This is a real thing.
This is a fully functioning backwards plumb turbo that does produce, we'll call it boost, but something's coming out of here that's not supposed to come out of there. It works too, sort of. I revved it up and air was definitely coming out of here in a positive fashion.
Oh, and it run.
Yeah, and it runs good. You're just in time, dude. We're gonna boost it. We're gonna do a huge burnout.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah. Just if you don't look too hard.
I could custom paint though.
Yeah, that's
It's a real intercooler.
Dude, Schmidt got that going, dude. Hey, shout out Takeover Northwest. It is the hottest event of the summer. You should be there. Link in the description. Buy a ticket now. If you don't buy a ticket now,
Buy one.
You're just lame. Like, don't be lame.
Buy one.
Dude, did you hear it? I heard the spooling.
Oh god, I can't see.
You know how we did, dude? It's fucking E-Rap. My fucking whip, dude. Not really about the Honda game like me, dude.
I mean, all right, can we talk about this for a second?
Dude, it's fucking spooled off hella hard.
Hey, did you hear? It was like. So, I mean, have you driven a stock Civic?
Yeah, dude.
Does this feel like it added at least 2 horsepower?
Dude, the top end, it
end?
had a little extra.
Okay, so that's where this would come in. It's the top end here. Oh, dude, look! The turbo got like burnt from the exhaust. It literally is like there's like soot.
Yeah.
That's the scary thing.
It literally worked. Did it produce legitimate boost, like 8 pounds, 10 pounds? Probably not. But I'm sure there was 1, 2, maybe 3. It made the appropriate noises. And air definitely was coming out of that.
Oh, hell yeah.
The charge pipe or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
What happens when you install your turbo backwards?
You make hella boost and scene points. Huh?
Yeah, it kind of works.
Cool.
Yeah.
It sounds good.
It sounds cool.
There you guys go.